So this is how you can add the attribute table in any vector file, shape file, polygon or point file. Just right click on it, click on Open Attribute Table. You have to start editing by this option, and after it add field using this option. Give name of the field, for example ID, and use it as integer. Now you can give IDs to your different shape file or point or different shapes in your shapefile, and you can also give it name. Add a new field and write your name here. Choose text or string as a type and click OK. Now you can type your shape's name here, like I'm doing this point 1 and point 2, and that's all. That's how you create the attribute table and you change the values. Now if you go to information tool and you click on this point, you can also see the information is embedded in these points. So for here the name is point 1, and for the point 2 the value will be point 2, the name would be point 2. So that's how you create attribute table.